Assalamu alaikum class 2 students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and doing well at home. I am your social studies teacher Miss Saira Zedi. Today we learn lesson number 17, our country. Our country name is Pakistan and our country is very beautiful country. And this is the map of Pakistan. Now look at this picture. It is our flag. And what color is in our flag? Green and white. There are many mountains, valleys, hills, plains, river and lakes in Pakistan. There are many cities and towns, old and new, in our country. Our big cities are Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore, Peshawar and Faisalabad. You know what is the capital of Pakistan? Yes, the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Our country has 5 rivers. What is the name of our rivers? Indus River, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. Now open your book, page number 74. Write date and day. You can see different pictures, desert, a mountain on this page. Now look at this picture. It is K2, the highest mountain in Pakistan. K2 is 8,611 meters above the sea level. This is the second highest level in the world. You know which is the first highest mountain in the world? Yes, Mount Everest. And K2 is the second highest mountain in the world. Sand dunes along the Makran coast of Balochistan. You know what is the sand dunes? A hill of sand near an ocean or in a desert that is formed by the wind is called sand dunes. CPEC Balochistan. CPEC means China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. CPEC is the framework of regional connectivity. Next picture is from the biggest city of Pakistan, Karachi. It is taken through satellite channel. Okay, class 2 students, now open page number 75. In our countries, there are buildings, roads and parks. There are universities, factories and airports. There are canals, bridges and dams. This is our country. We must look after it and keep it looking clean and beautiful. Now look at this picture. This is Gwadar Port. Gwadar is an important coast of Pakistan. It is situated on Arabian Sea in Balochistan. This is the picture of Shah Faisal Mosque and it is situated in Islamabad. This mosque is very beautiful. Our Pakistan has one sea in Karachi. This is the picture of Clifton Beach, also known as Sea View. In Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan is located on the Arabian Sea. This is the picture of Delaware Fort and it is situated in Cholistan Desert. Now look at this picture. It is the map of our Pakistan and the border of Pakistan are India, Afghanistan, Iran, China, and Arabian Sea. Pakistan has 5 deserts: Cholistan, Indus Valley, Karam, Thal, and Thar. Once they were forests. Our country is very beautiful and we love our country. Hope you understand this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.